Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on Bissell Heavy Traffic Pre-Treat and Spot Cleaner. As you can see right here on my sofa, we have some nasty spots here, over here too, all these nice little nasty little spots, and we're going to go ahead and pre-treat it with this. So basically it says that you can improve the stain removal process on dirty motor oil, makeup, grounding dirt, and much more. Also, it says coffee stains. We have, I think this is a soda stain or a juice stain. So basically, we're going to pre-treat this sofa. You can also use it for spot cleaning. So we're just going to go ahead and spray this spot here, and we're going to let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to spray this spot here and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. And yeah. So if you was really trying to clean your sofa or your carpet, I think like you're probably not gonna get the best results unless you pre-treat it or use this product here. So yeah, we're gonna get back to you and show you how it looks like. All right, everyone. So we actually already started to deep clean this after 3 to 5 minutes. So I just want to do it for the recording because it looks like we're gonna have to go over it once more. Alright everyone, as you can see, the stain is still there a little bit, but I believe that after we go over it a few more times, it's going to definitely go away. And this is definitely a product I recommend, and I will see you in the next review.